Hi there, this is Indresh and you are watching TechKing18. Today in this video I am going to discuss about two budget smartphones that was recently introduced in the Indian market. These two devices are Poco M3 and Nokia 5.4. Let's compare these two handsets and see which one is better to buy by keeping all the aspects in the consideration. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. And note, this is a small comparison between the specs and budget of these two smartphones. Let's start with the display. Nokia 5.4 features 6.39 inches HD plus display as compared to the Poco M3 6.53 inches Full HD plus LCD display. The display size of these two smartphones are similar, but Poco M3 edges out Nokia 5.4 in terms of screen resolution. Poco M3 has a screen resolution of 2340 x 1080 in comparison to Nokia 5.4 screen resolution of 720 x 1560 pixels. Talking about the processor, both these smartphones are powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662G processor. Hence, there is nothing to separate between the two in this aspect. Now let us talk about the camera. Nokia 5.4 offers a quad rear camera setup which includes 48 megapixel as a primary sensor, a 5 megapixel as an ultra wide sensor, a 2 megapixel as a depth sensor and another 2 megapixel as a macro sensor. In comparison to this, Poco M3 offers a triple rear camera setup which includes 48 megapixel as a primary sensor, a 2 megapixel as a macro sensor and another 2 megapixel as a depth sensor. The additional 5 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor in a Nokia 5.4 gives its edge in this domain. Now let us talk about the battery capacity. Poco M3 is packed with a powerful 6000 mAh battery cell and is paired with 18 watt fast charging technology. As compared to this, Nokia 5.4 offers you a much weaker 4000 mAh battery cell and it comes with normal 10 watt charging support. Thus, Poco M3 is the winner here. Let's talk about the pricing details. Poco M3 offers you 10,999 for its base variant of 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and it gives you option to choose 128GB of internal storage with a price tag of 11,999. As compared to this, Nokia 5.4 is priced at Rs 13,999 for its base variant of 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and it gives you option to choose 6GB of RAM for a price tag of Rs 15,499. Finally, it's time to draw my conclusion. The mobile processor is the same in both these smartphones, so it does not affect our choice. Nokia 5.4 is slightly better in terms of camera with that 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor. But by keeping that sensor aside, both these smartphones are same in this aspect as well. In terms of battery life and display, Poco M3 leads the fight. Also, it is cheaper in both the variants. Thus, Poco M3 is that takes the better position in this comparison. But do your own analysis and see which smartphone suits you better, as every individual have their own choice and taste. So that's it for this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned until my next video.